Ever wondered if there's a seamless way to bridge the gap between your traditional bank and your digital wallet? For those times you need to top up your PayPal balance quickly, or maybe move some funds around for an online purchase. It's a common scenario in our increasingly digital world, but sometimes the process can seem a little opaque. Today, we're diving into the specifics of transferring money from your Lloyds Bank account directly to your PayPal. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper, a freelancer receiving payments, or just someone managing their finances, understanding this connection is incredibly useful. We'll walk through the exact steps, clear up any confusion about linking accounts, and even touch on what to expect regarding transfer times and any potential fees. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at moving your money exactly where it needs to be, with confidence and ease. Let's get started. The very first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is link your Lloyds Bank account to your PayPal. This is a crucial one-time setup that unlocks the ability to transfer funds. Head over to your PayPal account, either on the website or through the mobile app. On the website, look for the Wallet section at the top of the page. In the app, tap on Wallet. From there, you'll see an option to link a bank account or banks and cards. Click or tap on that, then select Link a Bank Account. PayPal will give you a couple of options for linking your bank. The fastest way is often by logging in directly to your Lloyds Bank online banking through PayPal's secure portal. This instantly verifies your account. If you prefer not to share your login details, you can opt for the manual method. This involves entering your Lloyds Bank account number and sort code. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits to your Lloyds account, typically within 2 to 3 business days. Once those appear, you'll need to go back into your PayPal account and confirm the amounts, which verifies your bank. Make sure the name on your Lloyds Bank account exactly matches the name on your PayPal account to avoid any issues. Once your Lloyds Bank account is successfully linked and confirmed, you're ready to transfer funds. There are 2 primary ways to do this: adding money to your PayPal balance, or directly using your linked bank account for purchases or sending money. To add money to your PayPal balance from your Lloyds Bank account, navigate back to the Wallet section. You'll usually see an option like Transfer Money or Add Money to Your Balance. Click or tap this, select your linked Lloyds Bank account as the source, enter the amount you wish to transfer, and confirm the transaction. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, although sometimes they can be quicker. There are usually no fees for adding money to your PayPal balance from a linked bank account. Alternatively, for many transactions, you don't even need to preload your PayPal balance. When you make a purchase or send money, if your PayPal balance is insufficient or zero, PayPal will automatically draw funds from your linked Lloyds Bank account. This is a seamless process, provided you have enough funds in your bank account. It acts like a direct debit, but through the PayPal platform. Keep in mind that while PayPal generally doesn't charge fees for these standard bank-funded transactions within the UK, certain international transfers or transactions funded by credit/debit cards might incur fees, so always check the details before confirming. One important point to consider is daily limits. Lloyds Bank has daily limits for online transfers, which can vary, typically around £25,000 for standard online payments. PayPal also has its own transaction limits, though verified accounts generally don't have an overall sending limit. For individual transactions, PayPal usually caps them at around £60,000, with some limited to £10,000. For very large transfers, or if you encounter any issues, contacting either Lloyds Bank or PayPal directly would be your best bet. Knowing how to efficiently move money between your Lloyds Bank and PayPal accounts gives you greater control over your finances, enabling smoother online transactions and better management of your digital funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.